I was sent this really cool set of pool loungers with the matching table as well from AquaCurve, and asked to give my opinion on it and make this short video. I tell you what, this is a very nice set which is going to work great in my pool scenario, because as you can see here, the ledge that I have for sitting in the water, it isn't very deep. It's only about 6 feet long, so I can't use a lounge chair that's way too long. For example, these here, the ends will just fall off and go into the pool, because they're just too long for that purpose. So really can't lounge in the water unless you get a set like this, which is designed for those shorter ledges. And it's got the same comfort that you would expect from a lounge chair. Got a beautiful curve to it. We'll look more at that here in a moment. But the extension is not as far, so your feet would go rest on the bottom of the pool, but your body would be suspended in the chair just comfortable as could be. And these are a really nice set. I got to tell you, if you look at the construction and the weight that they are put together with, they are not going to blow around. They're going to be safe beside your pool. You're not going to worry about them getting blown in by the wind or anything like that. The chairs each come with a headrest here, and as well they even come with some weighted bags that you can install underneath the chair very discreetly to add even more weight to the chair with gravel or sand to keep the chairs really firmly put wherever you need them to be. The hardware they give you to install all the pieces, and it didn't take long. It probably took me 20 minutes to do both chairs, maybe 25 minutes or so. All the hardware is stainless, and I can show you that here with the magnet. You can see that none of the hardware will get picked up by the magnet. It's all very good stainless throughout. And you've got bolts here all along this edge here, so they're very sturdy, very well put together, to include the table. Table's got stainless steel hardware all throughout for that little side table that they provide as well. Looking underneath, you can see how well they've put this together. Just the supports that bolt everything in, solid. There's threaded nuts inside the material that these thread into, so that there's nothing seen on the outside, but it's all firmly attached inside. Very heavy. There's supports throughout, all the way back and forth, so there's no wobbling at all. Chair is very sturdy, very heavy. And when you put them in to the water, they work well in a shallow depth. This is about a 6-inch, maybe 4 depth of water here. And that's going to be just perfect for relaxing in the chairs, having your drink by your side here with the side table. And as you can see, this is a great way to lounge by the pool, enjoy the sun, get your feet a little wet, and be able to sit up and read, have a drink, do whatever you really need to relax by poolside with a pair of these compact in-pool loungers by AquaCurve. Hope that was helpful to learn a little bit more about this set of 2 chairs with a side table. Hope this information has been useful to you, and as always, hope you have a great day.